my name's Callum and this is a review for treestuff.com on the Omega Pacific Oval non-locking carabiner. This is a 22 kilonewton rated carabiner. It's a slightly offset oval but not significantly offset. It's similar to the DMM Ultra O in offsetness, if that's even a word. Does have quite a small gate opening, so it's not ideal for putting big ropes into. It's also got quite a stiff gate, so you need to be right at the top to open it, and that quite reduces the gate opening. It's got one heck of a big nose compared to non-cookie nose. Also is the hook lock, not key nose, so these are a little bit outdated, but sometimes they're all you can afford. They get the job done, and super durable, big rope bearing surfaces, even though they've gone for the slight I-beam style. Yeah, good job Omega, keep it up.